Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I'm super happy to be doing this video today. Okay, by the title below, you guys already know what I'll be doing in today's video. Been asked me for a try on haul. I should think this is the first time doing a try on haul on my channel, or if not the first, probably it was a long time ago. Anyways, let us get right into this one. So all the goodies are from Temu, and if you're wondering what Temu is an online marketplace. You can go to find every single thing to buy, whether for your baby, clothes for yourself, for your room, the kitchen, the bathroom, you name it, Temu have it. So I went ahead and opened the bag already, so I could just start off with that one here. Also, before I get into it, download the Temu app using the link in my description box, or search my code to claim and to shop these beautiful items that I'll be showing you guys. So the first thing on the list is I love the pattern. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's a black floral dress, super cute. This is the length of the dress. The material feels good, love that. And it is in the size 1X. So let's try it on. Soon come. Oh, this is so nice. I love it. Mind you, I'm gonna have on a bra. On a regular day, I'm going to wear a half a bra, but for now, yeah, this is cute. She's cute. She's giving brunch. Wanna think, guys? I'm want to rate them in as I try them on. Wanna rate them in the comment section. So tell me what you guys rate this one, and let me show you the length. So this is the length of the dress. Yeah, love her. Ooh. She's giving cute and classy. It's always good when you can find clothes to complement your body as a plus size. So remember, this is a 1X. So if you have body type like me, just know, so go and grab your 1X. And also, if you're smaller than me or you're bigger than me, the half size can fit you. Them have from small go straight up. So yeah, love this one. So on to the next look. Oh, I see a color that I like. Oh, this green is so beautiful. What is this? No guys, look at the material. No. Look at the stitching. So this is a skirt. So it's a two-piece. This is the skirt. This is the length of the skirt. And this is the top. Material feels really good. I love the stitching on it. Really nice. So let us try it. Soon come. I don't know what I should do with these strings at the front door. Should I put them like this? Yeah, it look like I said it weird. Oh, probably I said it weird. And then you just have it at the back, or you can bring it back to the front. What you guys think? Yeah, I saw this so weird, guys. Yeah, it look nice now, don't babe? Oh god, this cute. No, wait, I don't know about this. I don't know about this, but the outfit is really cute. Probably I should just let it hang. Okay, the material feels really good on my skin. This is the back, and again, this is the length. I love this one, and I love the color. I just love how this color look on me. Download the Temu app using the link in my description box to get $100 coupon bundle, or you can search my code to claim, also to find these beautiful items that I'm showing you guys. remember to tell me a favorite. Wanna see your favorite yet? Talk to me. I'm definitely feeling this one. It's giving vacation. Vacation. I feel like I don't want to take it off because why it's so cute? Let me see what this one is. Okay. So it's a t-shirt. I love the graphic on the front. This is in XXL. I love how it feels. It's soft. The stitching is nice. Nice and simple. This will look so good with some jeans. It fits really well. See? This is the length of the shirt. Guys, never mind the skirt. Yeah, this is nice. Love it. Guys, what? These are some cargo jeans. Why it looks so big though? You know what? I'm not gonna say it big because them pants here always embarrass me. You know why? Because them look big and then you see when I put them on, it's gonna fit really well, and them jeans here nothing fit too tight either. Them for have a little baggy look. But this is cute. The material feels so good. The color not disappoint me. I love the color so much. It's really cute. I love it. Excuse me, wait. No, tell me so them and I'm gonna look good together. No, we need to try it. So what I'm telling you, say? No, it's so I'm telling you, say. For telling you the size. So you know we just need some cute sneakers. Yeah, and with that. This is how the back looks. Yeah, I really love it. Guys, comment and let me know. Do you guys like it? No, them here not disappoint me at all. As a plus size girly, the clothes them look good for me. Talk it through, guys. And then the t-shirt just complement it like me can wear them together, don't? Okay, Temu. I'm not going out on myself. And the space at the waist, not much. A little is there, but not too much. See it? Just a little. So I'm not gonna do no adjustment to it. I just need a cute sneakers, and I need that. Me definitely gonna give it a 10. 10. 10. Love it. Love it. Alright, so next item on the list, let me see what this one is. Guys, this is a bodysuit. And again, the material feels really good. And we're gonna try it on. I'm gonna try it on back with the pants. But this is what it's looking like, guys. It not lock. I can't lock it. But I just tuck it under and this is it. Cute. And nice. So I'm gonna try it on back with the pants. And then here, no, this is a suit. I must suit this. It feels really good on my skin and I love that. Because I don't like when stuff itch me. I don't like material will itch. Oh, no guys. Tell me this is not the cutest. Wait, let me tuck in the back. Remember, I'm not pin it yet. No, talk to me. What? This is so cute. No, I like this. I like it. I think I love it more with a t-shirt. The jeans with a t-shirt. Yeah, I love it. It's cute, guys. Tell me what it's giving. You guys like it? Yes or no? You can't be honest, you know. You don't have to tell no lie. You know, you could wear it with some shorts or whatever you want to wear it with. I try to make like the boob print align with my boob so it not look awkward. Anyways, this is it. Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Cute or nah? Talk to me. What is this? Ooh, it's white. Oh, guys, this is so cute on the side. So I want to see how it looks on me. So this is a white top. I want to know my love off the shoulder tops. And then at the back, you would use the string to make a bow. I'll insert pictures, guys. So look at the pictures for the price and how the pieces are worn. But this is it. Material feels really good. A close-up. And then the sleeve have some ruffles. Really love this. This add a little class and elegance. And then anything will have a bow, just win me. Once it have a bow, yeah, I love it. Something about me and bow go real well together. So let me just show you. So this is what the back. So this is the back, guys, and this is what it would look like when you make a bow. Alright, so this is it. So the bow would look something like this. Probably when I put it on, it's gonna look more sturdy. The size of this is XXL. Let us try it. Soon come back. Ooh, she's cute. She's giving church girl. And I love the fact that it's off the shoulder. I love the little ruffles on the sleeve. And the back is really cute. It's classy and elegant. Not this jeans, but it would definitely look good with some dark blue jeans or a nice church skirt. You know, tell me one where wear it go. To church, to the bank, to brunch. Talk to me. No, I'm not saying brunch tonight, but I'm definitely seeing nice church top. Yeah, love it. Simple and cute. And the top is elastic. Love that. Okay, it looks like a shirt dress. This is the length. And the size of this is, let me tell you the size, 2XL. So this is the material close-up. The stitching. And the buttons are sewed on properly. Love that. It's long sleeve. With this black thing on the front. Alright, so I could try it on and come back. I'm assuming you would tie this. So I think it's supposed to cover your breast. Something like that. And guys, remember, I'm going to insert the picture so we see exactly how the outfit should be worn. I don't know if I get the breast part right, but it's cute. It's classy. I love it. Yeah. Okay. Wait. I feel like this part needs to straighten out. Alright. Wait. Is it me or it look lean a little bit? Guys, my tie lean. It good now? Alright. Not bad. It's cute. I love it. Okay. Guys, talk to me. Wanna like it? Yeah, I like it. I feel it. So, I'm just fold up the sleeve. I think I love it better with the sleeve up. Jason asleep. I can't even ask him to button it for me. But guys, just picture it with the sleeve up. And then it button. Alright. I love it. I don't know what it's giving. Where would you wear this outfit to? Dinner? Kind of look dinner-ish. The material is really light. Love that. Yeah. What you guys rate it on a scale of 1 to 10? On to the next item. Looks like pink. This is pink. Okay. So it's this pink dress. The sleeve is sheer. I love the ruffle at the end. And it has an opening at the back. It's a 2XL. And this is it. Oh, and it also have some ruffles at the end of the dress. And a string to tie. So let us see what it's giving soon come. It's giving modest. It's giving church girl. It's a cute little dress for church. Let me show you the length. So this is the back. This is the front. I love the little ruffle look at the front. I love the sleeve. It's so cute, guys. It's really modest. I love it. And I love the opening here. Wanna think? Wanna like it? Talk to me. On a scale of 1 to 10, wanna rate it? I actually love it. See? It's nice, guys. It's really cute. Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna wear this to church. Yeah, definitely want alter, because look at the back. You know, I want to take in a bit. So if it's a 2X, I don't think if it's size down, because I think 1X would have been too tight. Because this is a 2X and the sleeve is perfect, if you notice. Sleeve perfect, I can bend my arm, I can, you know, move freely in it. So I just think you should take the 2X and then, you know, you bring it to your dressmaker, have them alter it. You see? Just take around the piece here like this. And, you know, just tighten this part and then just take in the back a little bit. But other than that, it's cute. And I love this pattern for the material. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, the sleeves are cute. What are these? The color is pretty. What? Guys, it's a 2-piece. This is so cute. What? Nah. This cute. Look at the material. It looks to me like linen. The strings at the front. Elastic waist. Pockets. Pocket is deep and nice. And then this is the top. So you could literally wear this alone because of the length. It's long sleeve. I love the fact that they use a brown button. See, the buttons complement the color. Love that. And it have a pocket. So I'm gonna try it on. So another close up with the material. I feel as if when I'm wearing it, I'm going to wear it with a white undershirt and open it, but it's really cute. I couldn't even wait to come show you, hence why I button it up on camera. Alright, hold on, guys. So as I say, it could be worn alone. Well, right here so open. Of course I can wear it alone. So this is a 2XL and this is the shorts underneath. The back is giving vacation, and as I say, would I definitely wear it open with a cute white top underneath. Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. What you guys give it? I would definitely give it a 9.5. You can pull it off with your swimsuit. You can definitely wear it open, as I said, with your white top, and you can wear it closed like this. Also, if you have some nice cute blue jeans, you can definitely tuck the side and wear it like that. You can pull it off anyhow. So this is a 2XL. Guys, remember, download the Temu app using the link in my description box to get $100 coupon bundle, or you can search my code to claim and to shop these beautiful items that I'm showing you guys. So yeah, love this. Cute. Next item on the list. Ooh. No guys, before I pull this out, look at the pattern. I love this. This material is giving picnic. It's really cute. Oh, this is nice. Look at this cute little dress. It's also giving brunch. What you guys think? And it is in the size 2XL. Alright guys, we're gonna try this on real quick. Soon come. This dress is stunning. What? What? Excuse me? No guys, tell me, isn't this the cutest? I love the little ruffles on the sleeve. By now, you probably realize I love ruffle business. Yes, so the ruffle, really cute. It's classy. Oh my god, it have elastic on the sleeve, the end of the sleeve. This pattern on the blue is really cute. This is giving picnic. This is giving, you know, what it's giving? Brunch. What else? Where would I wear this to? To a gender reveal. Yeah, love it. Let me show you guys the length. It more give me picnic though. It look like spring. Yeah, spring. But it's cute. Love it. It's really nice. As a plus size girl, me not lie, my angle them here. Talk it true guys. Them look good for me, don't? No, them look really good. So remember, this is a 2XL. Now, but that's me stress on it. But please remember, download the Temu app using the link in my description box to get $100 coupon bundle. You can also search my code to claim and also to shop these beautiful items. Okay? Alright. Ooh, period. Listen, every girl deserves to have a cute little black dress. I know this dress. I love this dress. So I'm excited to try this on because on their website, the girl of on this looks really good. So make we see. So this is the material of the dress. Feels good. Stitching is nice. So it's a 2XL. So I'm going to put it on and see how it, you know, come together. Soon come back. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is nice. This is really cute. I love the color. I love the sleeve. Yeah, this is nice.
That one is my favorite so far.
This is your favorite? I love it. Guys, this is my fiance's favorite. So you know something, I have to go up and look at dinner date and wear this. This is the length. Really cute. I love the little tie at the side when I see it. Yeah. And then right here, so now I open up every minute. But this is a grown woman outfit. Okay. So I can't really show too much. But yeah, this is really nice, guys. Love it. Probably need to, you know, pull up the bra some more. Yeah. Yeah. This is it. I could definitely wear this to, you know, a little dinner date. I don't know where else I would wear it to. Comment and let me know what one other wear that dress here go. Definitely a dinner date for me. It's really sexy and nice. classy. Love the length. Yeah. Oh, and the material is really stretchy, guys. Stretchy, look. Stretch. But if you really wear 2X, just take it in a 2X. It's nice. I don't think you need nothing smaller than this. And then the fact that it's a black. Perfect. Alright, so it looked like we did the last item. We only have one item leave. Wonder what it will be. I wonder if I save the best for last. I don't know, guys. I just pick up random stuff. So let us see what it is. Okay, the pattern looks cute. I know what it is. From I feel it, I know this material too well. Guys, this is a two-piece swimwear. So this is it. This is the material. Really cute. So it is a floral green two-piece swimwear. And this is the top. Ooh! No man, Temu. You guys did that. No, guys, tell me why this is so cute. And the material feels so good. It's stretchy. Anything with ruffle, love it. And it have ruffle around the top and it look like off the shoulder. And if you don't know me, love off the shoulder. So let me just try it. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you guys everything. This is a 2XL. So majority of the stuff them are 2XL. Guys, remember when you are buying stuff online, please to read the reviews. Read the reviews. You will see people that tell you if it's true to size, and also they tell you in the description. It's really cute. I love the material. I love how it grabs and hold my body together. I just wish I could have shown everything, but a little bit of TMI down there. The underwear. You see how far it come? It come meet the top. Love that. And it can be worn like this. So you can pull it out like this. And you can pull it up like this. I love it this way. Yeah, this way is really cute. Love, love, love it. So what you guys think? On a scale of 1 to 10, want to rate it, with 10 being the highest. And want a favorite? Talk to me in the comment section, you know, guys. Okay, beautiful people. So this is the end of my try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing this try-on haul. You know, I'm so happy I got a chance to do this plus size try-on haul. You know, just for showing us things out there we can really compliment our body. You know, when I wear the things that will cut our belly in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. You know, stuff out there for make we look modest, stuff out there for make we look classy, sexy, elegant, and grown. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I feel as if the clothes them fit me really well, but may I wait for hear what you say in the comment section. So remember, download the Temu app using the link in my description box to get $100 coupon bundle, or you can search my code to claim and also to shop these beautiful pieces. And comment in the comment section and let me know if you guys want more try-on haul. Talk to me. If you don't want more try-on haul, some more try-on haul. Bye guys.